Hello viewers, the topic for today's discussion is extension in GSTR 3B late fees, Amnesty Scheme 2021. Okay, now I've divided this topic into three parts. First part is what I will explain you what was the applicable late fees prior to this introduction of Amnesty Scheme. Then we will understand part two, what is this GSTR 3B Amnesty Scheme? And then I will conclude with part three, extension up to which date the scheme is extended. So part one, late fees prior to the introduction of the Amnesty Scheme. Kya tha late fees? What was the late fees prior to the scheme? See, suppose I was a taxpayer and I am filing nil GSTR 3. What was the applicable late fee per day? Rupees 10 CGST, rupees 10 SGST. Okay, but maximum it was restricted to 10,000, that is 5,000 CGST, 5,000 SGST. And for other than nil return filer, what was the late fees? Late fees was 25 rupees per day CGST, 25 per day SGST. Maximum was same, 10,000, 5,000 CGST, 5,000 SGST. So it was a substantial amount of late fees. Okay, many taxpayers, many registered persons were unable to file 3B. Why? No working capital. GST portal was working very slow. And there were many other difficulties during Corona, right? So the taxpayers were subjected to severe late fees. They were all against it. That's when government thought. And during 43rd GST Council meeting, they came up with GST Amnesty Scheme 2021. What was this amnesty scheme? For GSTR 3B, for the period of July 17 to April 21, this amnesty scheme was introduced. See this. Now, what was the benefit here? This notification, this amnesty scheme, the benefit is, say I'm a nil return filer. Okay. What was the late fees? 10, 10, 5,000 CG, 5,000 SG. Now, what is the late fees? Only rupees 500 per return. 250 rupees CGST, 250 rupees SGST. Only this much. And if I am other than nil return filer, my maximum late fee is only 1,000 rupees per return, 500 CGST, 500 rupees SGST. So you got a tremendous amount of benefit. Okay, but this amnesty scheme, it was valid only for the period July 17 to April 21. And when, if you file your GSTR 3B for the period up to 31st of August 21. After August, if you file, तो ये benefit नहीं था. Same late fee applicable. 5,000 CG, 5,000 S. Now, what happened? Many registered persons, they were not able to take advantage of this amnesty scheme. नहीं कर पाए July 17 से April 21 के 3B. Why? Working capital, COVID issues, they were unable to file. Now, what will to do? Today is September. August is gone. Can they take the benefit of this scheme? Actually, no. That's when government thought. They introduced notification number 33/2021. What is this notification saying? They've extended this amnesty scheme. Now, you can file the GSTR 3B for the period July 17 to April 21 up to 30th November 2021. So, आपको 2-3 months का और benefit मिल गया. So, please taxpayers take advantage. Take advantage of this amnesty scheme. बहुत benefit है late fees में. Okay, so this was the today's update. I hope all of you have got important update, good knowledge. Thank you so much each and everyone. I will keep sharing more such videos. Stay tuned. Goodbye.